Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Michael and this is Edeline with me. As we head into winter, we thought it would be fun to make a snowman.
For this activity, you will need a black marker, paper plates, cotton balls, and paper. For today, we are using brown paper, but you can also use any other color to use as a snowman hat.
In creating a snowman, children are building their fine motor skills. This activity also supports their language skills, in that they are learning to follow and discuss the process.
So this is the finished product of our snowman. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy making your snowman as much as we did.
Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.